Guthinika na mitangiko iria arwaru a murimu wa kansa makoretwo makigerera kaunti-ini ya Nakuru magietha motungata ma radiotherapy maya gukinya muthia kuhitukira ceceni njeru iria irikitie kuhingurwo ya kuheana motungata macio. Mirango ya ceceni ino ihinguriirwo arwaru othe a kansa aria marabatara motungata ma radiotherapy, miang'o iria iratwarithagio na mbere ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Susan Mwatate.
I started this journey last year on the month of May. I was playing when I had a slight accident which we never knew will bring us to know of what cancer is and what follows next.
What started in 2018, May 24th, as a small unit has grown in terms of numbers and reached many people, not just within our counties, but also beyond.
Muigana wa ciringi mirioni 500 nicio ihuthikite waki-ini uyu, kigina kiria kirarekereirio ni thirikari nene, matanya ari kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino, muingi ukiurio gwikinya kuo guthurimwo.
Nearly 40% of all our cancer patients received cancer services at the regional centers close to their homes while decongesting our national referral facilities.
Ndeto egie wici wa dawa thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta, Mwatate ni arutite mukana kuri aria mekunyitikana akiuga ni megukinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
That whole uncovering of the theft of the cancer drugs at Kenyatta National Hospital was because of a multi-sectoral effort that we put in place with the DCI, with the Ministry of Interior, to look at what was going on, because it was also not adding up what was happening.
Ona gukiri uguo, gavana wa kaunti ino Irikitie ni uritie thirikari nene kunyihia thogora wa kurigita murimu wa kansa, guku akiuria muingi guthurimagwo murimu uyu kaingi kuona no urigitike ungimenyeka tene.
HPV vaccination is currently being given, but I know if we asked how many of our ladies have sought that, the numbers are dismally low. So even when there is a way of preventing, I think we must do that little thing of you making that decision.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njuguna.